Hello and welcome to another feature on Tech Magnified जो आपको लगेगा you will find very special. Of course, I get to spend a lot of time with technologies that I find very amusing. But कुछ ऐसी innovations होती हैं that I find very necessary. Take the curious case of one of Oppo's first flagships, premium flagship phones, the Oppo Find X. अब तो आपको समझ आ गया होगा ये Find में क्या कर रहा था. ये एक ऐसा फोन था that redefined what a super flagship phone should be, and to me it was Oppo saying, hello premium flagship market, we are here, find us, notice us because we are going to dominate. And now you will find that they took this hello to the next level with this, the Oppo Find X2 series. दोनों फोन है मेरे पास. Now let's find the opening sequence and play it. So this is the Oppo Find X2 premium flagship phone है Oppo का, and literally आपको ये पता चल जाता है as soon as you take a look at it कि इसकी looks कैसी है. आप Oppo का कोई भी फ़ोन खरीदें कोई भी प्राइस पॉइंट में, you know you're going to get a fantastic design and phone, लेकिन ये एक completely different level का है. It looks and feels absolutely premium. देखिए, it's a very big phone. Screen itself कितनी है? 6.7 inches. But in terms of the feel, in terms of the way it's weighted, जो balance है इसका, feels very solid. The hand feel is fantastic. Corning Gorilla Glass है up in the front, and the back also is this beautiful finish that they've given. That is very interesting. When you shine and angle a light at it, specifically at it, it may feel कि इसमें अलग-अलग हमेशा हर बार आपको लगेगा कुछ नया आ रहा है. Very smooth to touch and adds a nice gripping touch also. This phone is not going to fall out because it slipped. मुझे ये भी लगता है कि the way this phone is built, so solid, it will actually hold up very well to every day जो bump लग जाते हैं. But what bumps up this phone to a whole new level is उन्होंने अंदर क्या डाला. Snapdragon 865 64-bit octa-core processor, Adreno 650 है इसका GPU, 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 256 GB of UFS 3.0 storage. So you can clearly see कि ये जो specs हैं they translate into great performance. Now if you're like me who doesn't like the long loading screen, आजकल जो हम बहुत modern heavy duty games खेलते हैं जो कि बहुत ही heavy होती हैं in terms of graphics and load times, आपको एक सीक्रेट बताता हूँ. You can comfortably keep them locked in the background on this phone. उनसे बाहर निकलना, एग्जिट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. The RAM is accommodating. It's like a mother. वो आपको शेल्टर कर देगी आपके फेवरेट ऐप्स को and keep them safe, ready when you need them. Mostly आपको पता चलेगा that you will find you can pretty much resume most used apps with no problem. There is no stutter even if you pin multiple heavy apps. We've tried it and it actually works, and switching between them is just a flick. So honestly, इस फ़ोन के बारे अगर कोई भी डिस्कशन हो on this phone's performance, it's like talking about the Indian men's hockey team जो pre-independence time और early independence era के थे ना. बात करने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, पता है गोल्ड लेके आएंगे ही आएंगे. So then what makes this phone stand apart? I've been able to pin that on 3 major key factors, and these are important, so just listen to what I have to say. We'll go through them one by one. Now the first has to be the display. Now this is an absolutely amazing display. What you're looking at is a 6.7 inch display, slightly curved at the edge display, just about right जो curve होना चाहिए. It has managed to score an A+ grade from DisplayMate. That's a big deal because क्योंकि ये सिर्फ Quad HD resolution में नहीं है, pixel density also 513 ppi, फिर refresh rate 120 Hz, and here is where it really makes a big difference. You can keep the Quad HD resolution while enjoying this high refresh rate. This in itself is the rarest of rare things. बहुत सारे phones हैं जिसमें आप एक कर सकते हैं या दूसरा. Phone बहुत super responsive है, touch sampling rate, especially for gaming, 240 Hz. So like I said, gamers will really enjoy it. Now what about content lovers, you're thinking? इसमें है 10-bit display which is HDR10+ certified. So you get 1 billion, in fact over a billion colors. It's rated to show 100% of the P3 wide color gamut. अगर आपको नहीं पता क्या है, Google it. Contrast ratio phone की है 50 lakhs to 1. Think आपको क्या मिलेगा when you go from a absolute black to an absolute white. अब बात करते हैं अबाउट द पीक ब्राइटनेस, क्योंकि ये भी क्वाइट एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी है। इसमें कैपेसिटी ऑफ द स्क्रीन इज रेटेड एट 800 निट्स, यानी कि यू कैन गो आउट इनटू ब्राइट सनलाइट, इट्स फाइन। लेकिन आप HDR कंटेंट अगर इस पर प्ले करते हैं और वो ट्रिगर कर सकता है लोकल पीकिंग अप टू 1200 nits, and the color accuracy is also superb. So when you throw content that is not up to the mark, यानी कि it's not the best of content, ये जो है automatically compensate करेगा and will actually make that content look better. For example, there is HDR video enhancement for standard just normal dynamic range video, उसको HDR level तक ले जाता है. Ordinary videos get very close to HDR like dynamics with the technology called the 01 Ultra Vision Engine, and it really works. And it already supports most of your favorite video sites. ये YouTube पे काम करेगा, Prime Video पे काम करेगा, Netflix पे करेगा, कुछ और पे भी करेगा. Now there is also motion enhancement technology called Motion Clear. ये क्या करता है? It reduces the motion blur and lag on low frame rate videos. कई बारी आपको low frame rate videos मिलेंगे, ये उसको enhance करेगा. So if you are watching anything with let's say broadcast frame rate of 30 frames per second or lower, वो उसको boost कर देगा up to 60 frames or more depending upon the content. So everything ends up looking butter smooth and very nice on this 120 Hz display. So display is actually quite amazing. Currently this works well with YouTube, Prime Video and Netflix. Let me quickly show you the camera specs now, and then we'll talk about what we can get with the Find X2's camera, क्योंकि ये है हमारा number 2 major prime factor for it to really go to a whole new level. मेरे यूजेज में मैं बहुत इम्प्रेस था विद द टेलीफोटो लेंस ऑन द X2, एंड वन ऑफ द मेन रीजंस आई एंजॉयड इट इज़ कि इसमें जो है 5x हाइब्रिड जूम भी है और 20x डिजिटल जूम भी है. 5x हाइब्रिड जूम जो है पंचेस इन वेरी नाइसली. इसमें कोई क्वालिटी लॉस नहीं है व्हेन यू एक्चुअली यूज दैट एज अ टेलीफोटो लेंस. इट वाज कंसिडरेबली शार्प, and the main camera of the Find X2 is powered by the Sony IMX586. There is an updated Ultra Night Mode 3.0 that does absolutely amazing things. Very impressive. Now because I'm going to tell you and show you some video samples, let's take a look at that कि हम लोग ने क्या इसमें किया and how it worked out. ये फ़ोन जो है it also offers very crisp 4K video for up to 60 frames per second. ये आप शूट कर सकते हैं. इसमें दो और फीचर्स हैं. स्टेबलाइजेशन, देयर इज अल्ट्रा स्टेडी स्टेबलाइजेशन ऑन ऑफर फॉर कैप्चरिंग स्मूथ वीडियो. अब इवन इफ यू आर वॉकिंग द वीडियो कम्स आउट टोटली स्मूथ. एंड देन द 3 mic audio recording that records a very wide audio field. You can also use this for noise cancellation. Yeah, you can target a certain direction in your 3D space. लेकिन if you are a selfie shooter तो आप जो appreciate करेंगे some new things. एक तो selfie shooting front camera में ultra night mode है एंड ड्यूल स्टेबलाइजेशन, और ये दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ काम करते हैं टू मेक सेल्फीज बेटर इन वेरी पुअर लाइटिंग कंडीशंस. दे रियली वर्क वेल व्हेन देयर इज लो लाइट. Now let's come to the last bit of features that I liked about this phone. There are certain fundamental features this phone में that have actually been built that really make this phone, like I said, into a super premium flagship. For example, ये Oppo का पहला proper flagship phone है with 5G capabilities for India. And in case you didn't know, technically Oppo made India's first 5G WhatsApp call. उन्होंने हैदराबाद में किया था कुछ टाइम पहले. They actually made their first 5G WhatsApp call. And this phone has global 5G coverage for all the frequencies. So फिर से theoretically, future में आप कहीं पे भी हो, इंडिया में जब 5G आएगा या आप कहीं बाहर जाते हैं या रोमिंग इन सम अदर कंट्री, इट डजंट मैटर, यू विल गेट कंसिस्टेंटली गुड नेटवर्क, वेरी फास्ट डेटा स्पीड्स. Find X2 में एक काफ़ी बड़ी बैटरी है, 4200 mAh बैटरी, और बॉक्स में ही वो लोग डालते हैं a whopping 65 watt charger that makes this phone just zip zap zoom. मतलब literally one of the quickest charging phones in the world. इसलिए अगर आप 0% पे हैं on this phone and the phone now needs to go to 100%, you'll do it in less than 40 minutes. Yes, 100 in 40. How many other phones can say that? इस फोन में Color OS 7.1 on top of Android 10 है. They've really reworked the UI now and it looks really good. Lots of great features, and the Find X2 has amazing screen capabilities. It's become, this UI is very clean, still offers a lot of customization to help people make, आपने अगर अपना फोन बहुत यूनिक बनाना है, everything should just work for you, everything should just fit. This UI can now do it, but like I said, lots of other features also. But you know how companies make a great phone and they also make a great phone Pro. देखते हैं दोनों में क्या फर्क है. Find X2 और Find X2 Pro में सरफेस पे लगता है जैसे कि X2 Pro में ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज मोर बेस स्टोरेज 512 GB है उसमें, स्लाइटली बिगर बैटरी, IP68 रेटिंग जो ऑफ कोर्स इज द बिग डिफरेंस। कैमरा में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है, कंप्लीटली ओवरऑल कैमरा सेटअप है। Oppo का जो Find X2 Pro है ना, इट टोटली डिजर्व्स अ कंप्लीट टोटल डिटेल्ड सेपरेट रिव्यू। और अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं टेक मैग्निफाइड को राइट नाउ, यू विल नो एग्जैक्टली व्हेन आई अपलोड द ब्रांड न्यू रिव्यू ऑफ द Find X2 Pro। अब बात करते हैं अबाउट एक्चुअली कंपेयरिंग इट विद दिस फोन। हम लोग करेंगे एक्चुअली डू अ प्रॉपर कंपैरिजन बिकॉज द डेविल डज लाई इन द डिटेल एंड द डेविल इज नाइस इनफ नॉट टू बी अफ्रेड टू compete with other established names. Bang for buck जो Find X2 है, मैं Pro की बात नहीं कर रहा, Find X2 जो है, it competes with the Samsung S20 Plus जो मेरे हाथ में है, and the S20 Plus is taken to be the super biggie of the flagship market at this price point and category. You can keep the 120Hz refresh rate and the quad resolution simultaneously on the Find X2 जो कि आप Samsung के इस फोन पे नहीं कर सकते। Find X2 में you get Snapdragon 865 coupled with 12 GB of RAM. On the S20 Plus on Samsung, you get Samsung's Exynos 990 with only 8 GB RAM. Camera on the back जो है थोड़ा सा even matching है इसमें, both offer 3 different focal lengths to play with, 3 different lenses. लेकिन Oppo ने 32 megapixel का front camera दिया है against the S20's 10 megapixel shooter. And even though S20 Plus में slightly difference है, बैटरी थोड़ी सी बड़ी है at 4500 mAh, Find X2 series तो wipe out कर देता है everything with its 65 watt Super VOOC 2.0 flash charge. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, electrifying 40 minutes to fill its entire 4200 battery, zip zap zoom 0 to 100 40 minutes. Not to mention Find X2 is 5G ready. 5G in India may not be coming for a while, but when it does come, the Find X2 is future ready. And अगर आप globally कहीं पे जा रहे हैं, your phone will be able to go to any 5G network. The final conclusion ये है कि Find X2 is actually an incredible phone at an incredible price with some incredible features. Very, very few other phones can compete or even come anywhere close to it at this price point. Now it's time for you to be totally ready to do something that you should already have done a long time back. आपको पता है मैं क्या बोलने वाला हूँ? You really have to be subscribed and notified to Tech Magnified to completely enjoy जो हम लोग इस चैनल पे लेके आते हैं, the amazing features, breakthrough stories, first exclusives that we bring to the Indian market. फिर आप भी अपने दोस्तों को शो ऑफ कर सकते हैं कि यार तुम क्या बता रहे हो, मैंने देखा है, ऑलरेडी देखा है, टेक मैग्निफाइड पे देखा है, वहाँ पे सब कुछ पहले आ जाता है. If you want to be the gadget guru of tech in your social circle, press the subscribe button right now and the bell icon that goes with it. Stay safe and I will see you again.